Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 power supply. First, safety is paramount. Always unplug your console completely to prevent electrical shock. Ensure you have the right tools, including a Torx T8 screwdriver, to avoid stripping any screws. An anti-static wrist strap is crucial for protecting delicate internal components from static discharge. Taking these precautions will help you perform the repair safely and effectively. Begin by laying your PlayStation 5 horizontally on a sturdy, clean workspace. Gently lift and slide off both white side panels. This reveals the internal components. Next, locate the 5 black screws securing the fan cover and carefully remove them with your Torx T8 screwdriver. This step provides access to the fan and the internal shielding beneath it, getting you closer to the power supply. After removing the fan, you will see a metal shield covering the main components. Carefully unscrew the 11 small screws holding this shield in place. With the shield removed, you can now locate the rectangular power supply unit. Disconnect its main power cable from the motherboard and any smaller auxiliary cables. Always pull on the connector itself, not the wires, to prevent damage. Once your mobile operations center is perfectly aligned, enter it on foot. As soon as you are inside, exit the MOC again on foot. Now, slowly walk towards the Tencar garage entrance. A prompt to enter the garage will appear. Select the option to enter on foot. This sequence often triggers the duplication glitch successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.